Hello, hello, Chick. Hello, hello.
Check. Yeah, here. Let us make our future now and let us make our dreams tomorrow reality. Shashrikal, Namaskar, a loveliest good evening to all the jury members and all my fellow contestants. I am contestant number 51. My name is Sudh Kumari and I am 18 years old. I am mainly from Jharkhand, Hazaribagh. I have completed my plus 2 from Crane Memorial High School, Gaya. My hobbies are dancing, listening music and painting. At last, I want to say something about for being a successful person. Success is not the key of happiness. Happiness is the key of success. If we love what we are doing, we always succeed in life. At last, but not the least, I would like to thank Yes Model for giving me such a golden opportunity to stand in front of you. And I would also like to thank all the grooming teachers, Rehan sir, Sonu sir, as well as Amit sir who has groomed us. Thank you and have a great day.
Clapping for Miss Surbi, guys. Keep clapping. Your turn.
Thank you. If I can't do little great things, I can do little things in great way. Hello everyone, good evening. Myself Robin Kumar. I have born and grown in Gaya. My age is 19. My height is 5 feet 9 inches. My hobbies are playing cricket, dancing, listening music, etc. I am here to be a model. In future, I want to be a supermodel. And finally, I want to thank my all grooming teachers, Rehan sir, Sonu sir, and Nidhi ma'am to groom us and teach us. And finally, I want to thank Yes Model to give this golden opportunity. Thank you. Love you all.
I hope कि आप सुपर मॉडल बन ही जाएं. Use clapping for him also. एनर्जी खत्म हो गई अभी. अभी तो बस शुरुआत हुई है.
That's right. Hit it with it.
Introduction time.
Thank you, ma'am. A very good evening to all of you, respected jury members, audience, and all of our contestants to here. First of all, I introduce myself. My name is Kushi Singh. I'm from Bodhgaya, Bihar. I'm a 15 years old. I'm a still studying in Gyanbati Residency School. Talking about my hobbies are playing cricket, dancing, time spent with my friends, and traveling. I love traveling. Paris is my favorite holiday destination and I always looking forward for my family holidays. I believe that as you follow your profession, success will follow you. For that's why I'm here today. Thank you Yash Model to give me this golden opportunity and also a special thanks for the grooming teacher including Rehan sir, Sonu sir, Nidhi ma'am to groom us and support in every way. Thank you so much. Have a nice day to all of you. Thank you to listening to me.
That was beautiful. Just like you. Okay, your introduction time, Mr. Handsome.
Thank you, ma'am. Time and tide, wait for none. Respected Tanvir sir, Abdul sir, and all of the audience and jury member, a very good evening to all of you. Myself, Abdul Razak. I am from Assam. I am 19 years old. My hobbies are listening music, singing songs, traveling, etc. And my motto is to become a good and successful model because modeling is my passion. And at last, I would like to thank Rihan sir and Sonu sir for guiding me and grooming us very well. And also I would like to thank Yes Models for giving me such an amazing opportunity. Thank you everyone. Have a great evening.
Keep clapping. Keep clapping, guys.
She got me starting in her. Not even smiling in her. She got me starting in her.
Your time.
Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome.
नमस्ते, सत श्री अकाल, आदाब। मैं सौंदर्या कुमारी जो गया की रहने वाली हूँ, ज्ञान एवं मोक्ष की धरती गया में आप सभी का हार्दिक अभिनंदन करती हूँ। मैं 24 वर्ष की हूँ और मैंने अपनी पढ़ाई गया कॉलेज से की है। मेरा बचपन से ही शौक है संगीत सुनना और गाना गाना। मेरा एक अहम शौक रह चुका है मॉडल बनने का, जिसे पूरा करने का मौका मुझे यस मॉडल ने दिया। वो कहते हैं ना, जहाँ चाह है वहाँ राह है। जिसे हम दिल से करते हैं, पूरी लगन से करते हैं, उसमें हमें सफलता ज़रूर मिलती है। मैं यस मॉडल्स और बाकी ग्रूमिंग टीचर को धन्यवाद कहना चाहूँगी, जिन्होंने मुझे मेरी अंदर की कला को पहचाना और मुझे इस मंच के काबिल समझा। और बाकी थैंक यू।
Introduction time.
जले को आग कहते हैं, बुझे को राख कहते हैं। जले को आग कहते हैं, बुझे को राख कहते हैं, और इस दिल से जो जो आवाज निकले उसे रोहित केसरी का सलाम कहते हैं। मेरा नाम रोहित केसरी है और मैं गया का रहने वाला हूँ। मेरी हाइट 5 फीट 11 इंच है। और सबसे पहले मैं बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया देना चाहता हूँ यस मॉडल्स को, जिन्होंने मुझे ये मंच दिया। तनवीर सर को, अब्दुल सर को, सोनू सर को, रियान सर को। और मुझे भी लगता था कि मैं भी मॉडलिंग करूं, तो मुझे ये स्टेज दिया और मैंने इसके लिए काफ़ी मेहनत भी किया है, सभी लोगों ने किया है, उसके साथ साथ मैंने भी किया है। इसके लिए बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद, बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया एंड सलाम। थैंक यू सो मच।
That's right. Hit it with it.
इसने सबको भरमाया है, अजब इसकी माया, कोई भी कहते हैं जहाँ चाह है वही राह है. Respected jury member, contestants and all audience member, a very warm good evening to all of you. Myself Shweta Kumari. I am contestant number 8 and I am from Gaya city. I was done my schooling from JV Public School Kant area Gaya. My qualification is class 12th. My age is 18 years old. My hobbies is dancing, learning something new. My ambition to become model, and after that I want to become an actress. And lastly, I want to say thanks Yash Model to give me a golden opportunity to show my talent. And I also want to say thanks my all grooming teacher, including Rehan sir, Sonu sir, Nidhi ma'am, to groom me to improve my talent. That's all. Thank you and enjoy your evening.
Yes, we like to, and never lie to. Come on, baby, do you do what? Just more go hurry, jalwa. It's more go hurry, jalwa. शोहरत भी नहीं jalwa. मकसद भी नहीं jalwa. Tell 'em like it is. I can't hear. दिलकश लगे jalwa. दिलकश लगे jalwa. नशा ही नशा ये jalwa. मजा ही मजा. नशा ही नशा. Pull it up, jalwa. All से रवानियाँ. I know a lot of y'all willing to expect it. लगी गए मिठाइयाँ. Hottest girl around. ये चला दे इस दिलों में चिंगारियाँ. ये जलवा, फैशन का है ये जलवा.
Yeah.
A very warm good evening to all the jury members, all the contestants, and all the audiences. I am Saurav Kumar, contestant number 28, and about myself, I'm a very moody person, a traveler, and a foodie guy. About my qualification, I have done class 12 from Angels High School, and I have also done diploma under aviation from Franklin Institute of Aviation and Technology. In the last, I would like to thank Yash Model, Mr. Tanveer sir. मुंबई, दिल्ली, बॉम्बे में तो बहुत सारे मॉडलिंग शोज होते हैं, बट ही इज़ द ओनली गाय जिन्होंने इतने छोटे शहर में हमें मौका दिया, वरना छोटे शहरों को पूछता कौन है. सो जोरदार तालियां हो जाए तनवीर सर के लिए. एंड अब्दुल सर, इनकी कंपनी के जैसे ये भी है ग्रेट एंड ब्राइट. शो में बहुत सारे उतार चढ़ाव आए, पर हमेशा इन्होंने कहा अरे यार सब ठीक हो जाएगा, चलते रहो. इनके वेरी थैंक यू सर. एंड मिस्टर बॉडी बिल्डर रेहान सर, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ग्रूमिंग अस. एंड मैम, आप हमेशा कहती थी मॉडलिंग करते समय हंसते रहो, आप कब हंसती है बताइए ज़रा, सीरियस मूड में ही रहती है हमेशा. एंड मिस्टर बियर्डो, सोनू सर, थैंक यू. एंड मॉडलिंग करते साथ साथ, वॉक के साथ साथ जिन्होंने हमें डांस करना सिखाया, जुम्बा सिखाया, थैंक यू अमित सर. उनके लिए भी जोरदार तालियां, उन्होंने हमारे लिए बहुत मेहनत करी है. दिल्ली से 2 बंदे आए थे हमारे लिए, अक्षय सर और रोहन सर, उनको भी जोरदार थैंक यू. And in the last not the least, I would like to thank all the audiences who spared their valuable time to watch our show. Thank you. Enjoy your evening. Thank you guys.
Miss Nidhi, keep smiling for him.
She got the starting in her. Not even smiling in her. She got the starting in her.
Respected juries, friends, and all lovely people. Hi, this is Anpurna Kumari. I belong to Gaya. I have completed graduation from Mirza Ghalib College. I want to become a very successful model and actress. That's why I am here. I want to become a very successful model. My hobby is dancing, singing, and watching TV and making TikTok and acting. And finally, thanks to Yash Model for giving me a wonderful opportunity. And thank you Rehan sir, Sonu sir, and Nidhi ma'am. And thank you all grooming teachers. Thank you all audience. That's all.
Clapping for her, guys.
She got the styling in her. Not even smiling in her. She got the styling in her.
Your introduction time.
Good evening, everyone. I am Amit Kumar from Gaya. My height is 5 feet 11 inch. My age is 24 years. I am graduated and also I am pursuing my post-graduation. I love to play football, bodybuilding, and also I love to keep myself healthy and confident. My aim is to become a top model. That's why I am here. I would also like to thank our grooming teachers, Sonu sir, Rehan sir, Tanveer sir, and also Amit sir. At last, I would also thank a lot to Yes Models for giving such a golden opportunity. Thank you. That's all.
Thanks to you too.
That's right. Here we go. इसमें सबको भरमाया है अजब इसकी माया कोई भी बच ना पाया हाँ ये जलवा आसमां भी दिखलाया ज़मीन पे भी ले आया क्या ना इसने कर पाया हाँ ये जलवा आग सी रवानियाँ
Your time. Introduction time. Thank you. Fashion is about something that comes from within you. Namaskar. A very good evening to all the respected dignitaries on the ground. My name is Manisha Kumari. I am from Darbhanga, Bihar. My height is 5 feet 8 inches. I want to become a very successful model. That's why I came here for completing my dream. Now I am talking about my education qualification. I have completed my schooling from Kendra Vidyalaya Bank to be West Bengal, and I have also done my diploma in aviation from Franklin Institute, Delhi. Talking about my hobbies and achievement, I like to play throwball, sketching and singing, and I have also played throwball in national championship. I have 4 members in my family, including me. I want to go more in this field. At last but not the least, I would like to say thank you to Yash Model for giving me this wonderful opportunity, and also to our grooming and dancing teachers for helping us in grooming. Thank you so much for listening me.
Clapping for her, guys. She is beautiful, na?
She got the styling in her. Not even smiling in her. She got the styling in her.
So these were our contestants. I hope you all love them all. So now, Mr. Sonu sir is coming on the stage. He would like to say something. So, okay, he is just guiding every contestant.